In this video, I'll show you how smart dynamic pricing works in WooCommerce and how you can automatically change product prices based on different conditions without manual work. Offering the same pricing to everyone often means missing sales opportunities. Stop losing sales with smart dynamic pricing. You can offer special discounts for first-time customers, helping you convert more new buyers without reducing the overall pricing of your products. Using this plugin, you can optimize pricing strategies and increase revenue. With pricing optimized based on customer behavior, you can unlock more revenue opportunities for your store. This way, you can drive more sales, improve profit margins, and increase conversions across customers from different countries. This is how you can keep customers happy by offering the right price to the right customer at the right time. First, make sure the Smart Dynamic Pricing plugin is installed and activated on your site. Then go to Settings from here. You're able to see the Smart Pricing menu under the WooCommerce tab. In the Global Settings tab, first make sure to enable Smart Pricing option. Select any option here to apply for multiple rules are matching. Next, go to the Pricing Rules library, where you'll find ready-made templates like state-based, month-based, country-based, and user role pricing to help you get started quickly. For this demo, I already created a few pricing rules, and I'll show you an example. Now go to the Pricing Rules section, in which I have created a list of different rules based on my business use cases. From this list, let me open the OS-based Smart Pricing Rules. Here, this is default settings. From the Product Rules section, I have selected a product option. In this rule, I have selected the product called Helena Hooded Fleece. In the Price Adjustment section, I have increased the price by 10%, which apply on above selected product, and added a condition so the rule applies only when a customer is browsing using a specific operating system like macOS or Windows. Make sure all settings are saved. Let's go to the shop page. From the feature list, you can open any feature that you want to test. I am selecting the OS-based pricing. You'll notice the product's original price is $55, but because I'm browsing using macOS, the plugin automatically increases the price by 10%, making it $60.50. Now let me go to the admin side, and if I disable this rule, now if I refresh the page, the product price goes back to the default $55. This is how Smart Dynamic Pricing helping you personalize pricing and save time without updating prices manually. And that's it. To see more related videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon here. Let's know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching this video.